Hi guys, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you guys my Easter room tour for 2023. So yeah, let's just get started. So first on my door, we have this little Happy Easter door sign that I got from the dollar store. And then over here, we have this little bunny, as well as some window clings, bunny and some Easter eggs. Super cute. Over on my bed, we have Bunny and Carrot's blankets with a little chick. Matching pillow, carrots, some bunnies, some little spring things, you know, a pig, another pig. Yeah. On my dresser, we have my Happy Easter candle from Bath and Body Works, two little bunnies, another bunny right here and right here. This little bucket with Easter eggs on it, and then inside as well, and just some spring decor over here. I put some bunny ears right there, my little Happy Easter drinking cup, and then more bunnies, and then this sign that says Easter. And then up there I have another sign that says Happy Easter as well. And yeah guys, that is all for my Easter room tour. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next video. Bye.